Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add automatic speech or text-to-speech to your PowerPoint presentation. This feature is perfect for making your slides speak to your audience, creating a more engaging and interactive experience. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and make sure your presentation is ready, as this is where we'll be adding the text-to-speech feature. Once your presentation is open, head over to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen, right next to the Home tab. Click on the File tab, then scroll down and select the Options button to open the PowerPoint Options dialog box. In this box, you'll see a variety of settings on the left-hand side. Look for the Quick Access toolbar option. This section allows you to manage commands that can be accessed quickly while working on your slides. Next, at the top, you'll see a drop-down list labeled Popular Commands. Click on it and change it to All Commands. This will display every available command in PowerPoint, not just the frequently used ones. Scroll through the list until you locate the Speak command. Once you find it, select it, then click the Add button to place it in your Quick Access toolbar. Press OK to close the dialog box. You've now successfully added the Speak function to your PowerPoint. To test it, go to the Insert tab along the top of your screen and click on Text Box. Draw a text box anywhere on your slide and type in any sentence or phrase you want PowerPoint to read aloud. Highlight the text you want spoken, as this tells PowerPoint exactly what to read. Finally, click the Speak button in your Quick Access toolbar. If set up correctly, you should hear your computer reading the text aloud, and that's it. You've successfully added and tested text-to-speech in your PowerPoint presentation. This feature is not only great for accessibility, but also adds a professional touch and extra flair to your slides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.